vacations are just starting on Kicks 1015 from Visit Florida. Listen weekdays at 6:05 for Cadillac Jack and Ally Mac for the Visit Florida Vacation Song of the Day. Then when it plays before 10 a.m., be caller 15 to win a trip for two to Cocoa Beach, Florida. Trip includes round-trip coach class air transportation for two from Atlanta to Melbourne, Florida. 3-day mid-size car rental, plus 2 nights accommodations at Hilton Cocoa Beach Oceanfront. Bring the sun, sand, and even the stars to your doorstep with its stunning setting along Florida's Space Coast. Give Normal a few days off with a mini vacay in Florida. Plan your trip at visitflorida.com. The Visit Florida Vacation Song of the Day, every weekday morning on Kicks 1015.
It's Boot Barn's interview series, and we're discussing the launch of Miranda Lambert's new clothing and boot line, Idle Wind. So tell me about the new boots in your line.
I'm a boot fan. I have a boot problem. Part of the reason Idle Wind even started was because I've had these vintage boots that had a heel. They were really sturdy and really well made. They were my stage boots. I still wear them. I've had them resold 4 times. I think a good pair of boots is something a girl can keep in her closet forever.
Oh yeah. Idle Wind by Miranda Lambert can now be found exclusively at Boot Barn.
I just can't stop scratching. Struggling to get relief from itching due to your atopic dermatitis, also known as eczema? If so, you may qualify for a clinical study testing an investigational medication for the itch associated with atopic dermatitis. Qualified participants will receive study-related care at no charge. Call 1-844-777-4824, 1-844-777-ITCH, or visit advandastudy.com for more information on how to participate. Sponsored by Vanda Pharmaceutical.
Message and day rates may apply.
When did it become okay for men to be lazier, softer, fatter? We need to bring the men of this country back to greatness. And it's easier than ever with Ageless Male Max, a patent-pending formula with an ingredient that helps boost your total testosterone, promoting greater increases in muscle size and twice the reduction of body fat percentage than exercise alone. Plus, an amazing 64% increase in nitric oxide, which can be handy in the gym and in the bedroom. Take your manhood to the max by trying your first 30-day bottle free. Just pay shipping and handling. Not 10 days, not 15 days, but a full 30-day supply free when you text the word FAST to 797979. Finally, a formula that boosts total testosterone. If your results with Ageless Male Max are too intense, please decrease it. Get a free month. Text FAST to 797979. Text FAST to 797979.
Deli subs are $5.99. You heard it right. Whole deli subs, $5.99. And they're made whichever way you wish. We're talking turkey, Swiss, chicken tenders, peppers, and yes, even boar's head. Okay, now it's safe to drive. To Publix, to get your sub. Or you can visit Publix.com/order. Some exclusions apply. Publix, where shopping is a pleasure.
Save up to 50% on a hot tub or swim spa at the Hot Tub and Swim Spa Blowout Expo this weekend only at the Infinite Energy Forum. Browse the largest display of hot tubs and swim spas in the region from 7 major brands at up to 50% off. See swim spas in action offering exercise, therapy, and fun all year long. Over 50 spas will be on display and every floor model must go. Show admission and parking are free. That's the Hot Tub and Swim Spa Blowout Expo this weekend at the Infinite Energy Forum in Duluth. Visit SpaExpo.com. That's SpaExpo.com.
It's like we're back in the glory days, and man, is it fun, meaningful late September, early October baseball. The Braves win 8-3 versus the Phillies. If they were to win 2 of the next 3 games, they will clinch the National League East and hang a pennant at SunTrust Park. Hey, it's Tug for Express Oil Change at Tire Engineers, where you save $8 off the cost of an oil change. It was a clutch double off the bench from Lucas Duda in the 7th. Kevin Gausman continues to pitch lights out for the Braves. Same 2 teams tonight. Julio Teheran on the mound for the Braves. And today you get an $8 discount at Express Oil Change and Tire Engineers.
Sanderson Farms presents a chicken. Yours truly politely declining a free sample at the food court.
Well, hey there, little fella.
Are you talking to me?
I sure am, partner. You want to try a free sample?
I don't know. What do you got there?
Oh, it's a vegetarian veggie cube. All vegetarian. You're gonna love it.
Oh, yeah, it sounds great and all, but no thanks.
It's free.
Not interested.
But it's all vegetarian.
Right, it might be, but I'm not. See, chickens aren't actually vegetarians. So
But it's got kale.
that's great, and I'm sure others here in the mall will enjoy it, but again, not a vegetarian. Great for others, It's just not really my thing.
Well, how about a veggie veg ball wrapped in more kale?
I feel like I'm talking, but you're just not really listening.
Chickens are not vegetarians. That's why at Sanderson Farms, we feed them a balanced, protein-rich diet, because that's good for chickens. Sanderson Farms, good, honest chicken.
Or how about a veggie smoothie chiller, huh?
What is happening right now?
Hey, football fans! You can stop watching those best of highlights because it's finally here. Football season. And nothing goes better with that snack attack than a refreshing ice-cold Coca-Cola from your local Dollar General. From August 20th to September 23rd, purchase your favorite Pringles 5 ounce or larger and text SNACK to 34898 to receive a $1 off.